If you want to cast YouTube app to TV on a Realme 14T, first of all, we need to open the YouTube app. Once you go to YouTube, you should be able to find this icon over here in the top right corner. We have this this rectangle with the Wi-Fi icon, so we can go over here and we can select the device that we want to connect to. After a short while, you should be able to see your devices here, your TVs here. However, if not, you can also choose link with TV code, and you should be able to enter the TV code in this place in order to connect the phone with your TV. You can also see the description or the instruction how to get the TV code. Just remember that most likely you want to use the same Wi-Fi network on both your phone and TV in order to successfully connect. And also you don't have to try to connect to TV in the main menu. You can also just open any video, and while watching the video you can also find the icon pretty much in the same place. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.